This is the heat and weather that we've been having, and this is a simplified version of what I gave earlier in my hot weather causes. This is hot weather causes part 2. Okay, starting here, this is the seasons based on the northern hemisphere. As you can tell, winter's out here at the perihelion of the earth, and summer here is aphelion. Then you have your two no season points, it's spring and fall. Then you have your sun right there. Okay, that's basically the way all these are going to be. Now, during the time of the Egyptian Empire, we had a no season point right here. That was actually when we were actually over a no seasons period. Now, in Roman Empire, as you can tell, that little mark right there, is where the Roman Empire existed. Okay, now here is current time. As you can tell, we're positioned about where the Roman Empire was, on the other side of the seasons as far as summertime. Now, no seasons, this is what it looks like with no seasons. See the north and south poles? They're in line with the sun. This little dot here is the sun. See how they're lined up perpendicular? That means that the Earth's axis, instead of tilting away from the sun, will actually be facing north to south pole, both be visible from the sun. Currently, during summer and winter, one pole or the other is not visible from the sun. That's pretty much all I wanted to tell you on this updated version. As you can tell, that's the information there. You have this right here, which is the normal seasons for the northern hemisphere. This is the no seasons look. It's what it looks like when no seasons. These little lines through the earth are its actual tilt. And up here you see that the Egyptian Empire passed through a no seasons period. The Romans are halfway between a no seasons period and a normal summertime warm period. And then you have the current time, which is between the summertime type deal and what would normally be considered a fall point in this rotation. But this is not actually fall. This is actually the no seasons at point. They just simply rotate. You go from this, which is your standard seasons, but over 26,000 years, these actually change. Which I mean, the whole point of the Gregorian calendar adding a leap year was to keep winter from flip-flopping with summer. See, before that addition of leap year, these two would flip-flop every 13,000 years. Maybe that's something I was missing there, is the fact that leap year. Okay. Leap year, flip, flop, without it. So without a leap year, you would have this number going on. Now, that may seem ridiculous, but that's the case. Literally, winter would all of a sudden be closest to the sun, and summer would be far away from the sun. Which means you would have an ice age. It would be colder during the summer than the winter. That's the whole point of the leap year in the calendar, the Western calendar, the Gregorian calendar, is to keep this flip-flop from occurring. That's where that 26,000 year rotation comes in. See, normally it's a 13,000 year rotation, so every 13,000 years we would flip-flop this one right here with this one down here. Well, that's what I wanted to say. Have a good one.